Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, my name is Deborah and I'm a Nigeria-based YouTuber. I'm also a student at school in Delta State, Nigeria. I create educational content, lifestyle content, and all that good stuff. If there's something you enjoy watching, please do not forget to subscribe before leaving this channel. A returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for tuning in. You know I love you so much. You guys are my OGs. Alright, in my last video, I talked about how to manage your finance as a Nigeria student. And most people came to my DM. I was saying that you talked about how to manage your finance. It's not those that have money that will manage finance. Me, I don't have money. We don't have money. And that's why I'll be talking about this topic today: how to make money as a Nigeria student. As a student in Nigeria, money is the most important thing. Yes, so because if we don't have money, we cannot eat. And if we can't eat, we'll be hungry, we'll be angry. An hungry man is an angry man. So that's why I'm here to give you ways on how to make money as a Nigeria student. I'm going to be giving you practical business you can start with little or no income. You can start with as little as 10,000 naira. Yes. Welcome back, guys. The number one business you can start in school as a Nigeria business is one recharge card business. Selling recharge card business is very affordable, and you can go into it as a Nigeria student. You can start um you can buy in smaller quantities and sell to your hostels, your classmates, your friends. Yes, it's very easy to start a recharge card business, but the downside is that the profit is not that much, or else you want to start selling, you know, start adding extra money on it, like 20 naira or 10 naira, so you can get little profit from it. But it's very affordable and it's easy for you to start. Number two, you can decide to start selling perfume oil. Perfume oil business, this is one of the lucrative business right now. Like, yes, I have few of my friends that are into this business, and trust me, they're doing so well. You can start with at least at 10,000 naira, and trust me, you're gonna make a lot of profit from it. Yes, gonna make a lot of profit from it because all students want to smell really nice. And when you start selling this oil, trust me, you're gonna have lots of customers. How did I know? Because I have friends who are doing the same business and are doing so well. The next business you can start with little or no capital is thrift business, also known as second-hand clothes. You can decide to start selling second-hand clothes. Yes, in my hostels, we have lots of people selling these clothes. They go to big markets like Aja or Aba, where they can get these high grade clothes, for cheaper rates. In my hostel, there are lots of people who are into this second-hand clothes selling. Yes, they go to those big markets and they buy in bulk. They can choose to buy in full bay or half bay, and you can come back and sell it. You can just fix the price yourself. Yes, and there will be lots of profit. And if you really want to take this business to a very high level, you can choose to like wash the clothes and press them, package them, for higher quality, to raise the value, so that by the time you start calling higher price, people will buy it. You understand? I have a friend in my hostel that sells these clothes, but if you see it, you will not know it's second-hand clothes. Yes, because by the time she comes back from this market, she washed them, press them, and package them. That's what we call packaging. By the time she start calling 3,000, 4,000 for you, you buy, you will not know you buy it because why? She has taken her time to package this clothes. And this is something you can start with little money. Yes, little money. You don't need 50,000 to start second business. So, 10,000 naira can do it, 5,000 naira can do it. So just decide and do if you want to do. The next business you can start in school is POS business. Now, yeah, everywhere you look your left, you look your right, you look front, you look back, you see POS business, and it's very easy for you to start. Just get the POS machine, and you can start from your hostel, you can start from your classmates, tell them what you do, and they will patronize you. Yes. The thing is, POS is not everywhere, so you have to reduce your fee so that I can always patronize you. Reduce your fee for you to have more customers. The next business you can do in school is production of liquid soap. Yeah, that's something I like so much. You can, if you know how to do these things, you can try to start making. I have a friend who does these things in her house. Yes, she knows how to make liquid soap and she makes them. She makes the soap and she does not really sell retail. She also sells in wholesale. She goes to supply shops, big shops, supermarkets, and that's really really nice. You understand? You see, and one thing is this ingredients for this soap are not really expensive, right? And by the time you do them in your home and you start supplying to those big customers, big supermarkets, big shops, I also say in smaller quantities to your friends. That's money, oh. I know the soaps are not expensive, sha, but you need to start small and before you know it, you will go big. So yeah, that's something I really, really, really like soap business because it's very, very lucrative as well. The next business you can do, you can sell bed sheets. Yeah, bed sheets. You can sell. Every student have bed, right? I mean, every student have bed, and it's very, very advisable for students to have bed sheets all the time. Most people are lazy to wash, so they like buying bed sheets all the time because they cannot wash their old ones. So if you sell bed sheets, you can actually have a lot of customers because everybody wants to change their bed sheets. Women say, I want to change my bed sheets right now. It's dirty. So yes, you can choose to sell beautiful bed sheets, affordable ones too, because students are broke. They can't be buying bed sheets for 10,000 naira. Or else those big guys, sha. Me, I'm not big. Eh, so sell affordable bed sheets and trust me, they will patronize you. You can also choose to sell nightwears. Yes, you can choose to sell nightwears, girls' nightwears. You know, girls now they like showcasing themselves. They like wearing those fine 90s. You can choose to sell those and it should be affordable. In fact, anything you want to start in school, make sure it's affordable for students because students like cheap things. You cannot come and say 912 for 5,000 naira. They will not buy. Students like cheap things. So you have to go to where you can get them for a very low price and you can come and sell to your students because they like cheap things and they will patronize you. Yeah. Last but not the least thing you can do in school is um if you know how to sew clothes, you know how to make hair before you enter school. Most people they know how to do these things, but when they come to school, you see them they will stop. Why? Because they're from a big girl. Excuse me, hello, who are you trying to impress? If you learned how to make a hair before coming to school, why did you stop now that you school? Why? You can choose to continue doing this in your hostel, offering I'll be rendering services, rendering your services. I mean, this is something you know how to do, and you can choose to charge them as much as you like, especially when you know your onions. When you are good at making hair, you can choose to charge them 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, and they will patronize you because students like looking good. So if you know how to make hair, please don't stop. Don't come to school and be for me big girl and you need money. Please do not stop. If you know how to make clothes, I have a sewing machine. Please do not stop sewing. Don't come to come before me, big girl. When you know your onions, you get what you want. That's it. Right, guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you're able to pick one or two business out of this video, and I hope you can come back and tell me that Debbie, I've been able to start this business. I've been able to start this business and it's working for me. I hope you learned something from this video and I hope you can start making your cash and start saving as soon as possible because the country is getting harder. All right, guys, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking around up to this point. You guys know I love you so much and I appreciate all your effort. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.